So, Mr. Ayush, tell me, why did you leave your last job? Sir, basically the company just wasn't a good fit for my innovative personality. I have learned that the companies also have distinguished personalities just as human beings do. Now I know how to concentrate my job search on companies which value the independent thinking and alternative methods of working. Okay, so why do you want to work in our company? Any specific reasons? Sir, I wanted to be a part of a firm which has only in 1 year invested nearly 1.5 million US dollars in research and development for eco-friendly industrial processes. Now that is the key reason why I prefer this job over any other. Can you please say that how will you define or describe your current weaknesses? I consider myself to be very detail oriented, and in some industries and positions that might not be a good fit. But I believe in this particular position as a industrial supervisor, this trait will truly help me to excel in my performance. Now let's have a look at your personality. Tell me more about yourself. How do you describe your personality? I consider myself to be very creative and resourceful. I have been a sales manager for last 5 years and I have devised various strategies and programs to keep my representative team motivated. And due to that and my strategies, we have earned numerous company rewards for that. Tell me about the worst senior, the worst boss you have had in your career. Well, while none of my bosses were really awful, but there were certain who taught me more than others did. So, what are your goals, your aspirations by working with us? I want to secure a good position in an international firm which focuses on retail development. Ideally, I would like to work for a younger firm to take advantages of a growing company, ideally like this one.